Yo, what's up guys? So, yan, this is the the day before Thailand. So, as you can see, it's already, it's already 12, almost 12:30. So, we're gonna pack some things. Yeah, so, yeah, a little bit messy in my room now. So, I'm fixing everything. So, yeah, I mean, let's see what will happen tomorrow, yeah, guys. So, see you when we travel. Oh, what's up guys? So, yan na, today's the day. Pero, sa ano pa lang kami ngayon? Punta pa lang kami sa sa hotel. Kasi nag-book yung tita ko ng hotel para doon muna kami stay. Then, diretso na kami bukas sa airport. So, I hope wala na akong nakalimutan. Nag-guess na ako medyo lit ako nakatulog. Pero, let's see. Let's see if we forgot something. Cap. So, hindi natin makalimutan lahat. Chargers. Huwag natin makalimutan. Switch muna tayo ng 11 seconds. And, hindi tayo nakalimutan. So, here we guys. Yo, what's up guys? So, yeah, so currently you're just waiting for my parents. So, we would be now going to our aunt. So, they're currently staying at the condo unit. And after that, we'll go to the airport, Terminal 3. And then, so we would be going early at the airport tomorrow. So our flight is tomorrow, but we will be leaving early. So yeah, I'll do a montage of our travel from this place to the airport. Yeah. So see you guys later. Handa. Hello kami.
Hello. Yes, I see you. Hindi siya kasama. Hindi niya sasama.
Ate, ikaw ba?
Ayaw niya dyan. Siya naman inapit. Kami ngayon ng Singapore, pero
Singapore?
ay! Thailand! Sorry. Hanap na lang kami na punta na kami muna sa hotel namin stay. Then, papahinga. Tapos, kami ay kakain later. Next travel, Japan.
Kaso, visa. See you later. Sa 81.
guys, sa kabilang building. Mali pala yung lobby na napasukan namin. So mali pala yun. Pumanta pa ako naman siya. We'll be going in a different direction. Ito naman sa ground. So we'll be going in the lobby to register. Then going up na kami. Hello. Che. Ayan. Kita. Ayan. So nasa hotel na po. May ka-problem. 5-star hotel. Kakain kami mamaya.
Ano masasabi mo, Tito Jake?
Ang masasabi ko ngayon, nagre-relax kami ngayon at maya-maya dili kami. Okay?
Yes! Mga nagre-relax lang kami.